When upgrading your heating or cooling system, variable speed might come up. Unlike traditional systems with a single speed, variable speed technology adjusts to your space's exact needs, enhancing energy efficiency and indoor air quality. Variable speed systems offer consistent cooling, less noise, and better humidity control, making homes more comfortable. They operate continuously at varying speeds, eliminating temperature fluctuations and reducing energy consumption compared to single-stage systems. Variable speed compressors run at different rates, providing customized cooling. When temperatures are mild, they operate at lower capacities, saving energy. This flexibility ensures your home remains comfortable without the constant cycling of traditional systems. While initially more expensive, variable speed systems can save you money in the long run. They use around 75% less energy than single-stage units, potentially saving you hundreds annually. Plus, the Thompson company offers discounts and financing options. Ready to upgrade to a variable speed system? The Thompson company serves Houston with top-rated HVAC solutions. Call us at 713-766-4846 for expert installation, repair, or consultation. Our licensed technicians ensure satisfaction and performance with every service.